Did you know that the peels from ordinary potatoes can be turned into a simple homemade liquid fertilizer in just 48 hours? Instead of throwing them into the trash, you can recycle this common kitchen waste into a gentle plant feed that helps support healthy soil and plant growth. It requires no expensive products, no special equipment, and only a few minutes of preparation. To make it, collect the peels from about 1 kilogram of potatoes and place them in a clean container. Pour in 5 liters of water, making sure the peels are fully submerged. Cover the container with a lid and leave it in a shaded place for 48 hours. During this time, the water gradually extracts some of the natural nutrients and organic compounds from the potato peels. Naturally occurring microorganisms begin breaking down the soft plant material, releasing small amounts of minerals, sugars, and other beneficial compounds into the water. As this mild fermentation takes place, the liquid may become slightly cloudy and develop a light, earthy, or fermented smell. This is perfectly normal and indicates that the natural process is working. After 48 hours, strain the mixture through a fine sieve or cloth to separate the liquid from the peels. Don't throw the leftover peels away. They can be added to your compost pile or buried in the garden, where they will continue decomposing and enriching the soil. The strained liquid is already mild enough to use directly on plants. However, to make a larger batch and further improve its benefits, pour the liquid into a larger container and add 10 liters of clean water. Now add 1 tablespoon of molasses and stir until it has completely dissolved. Although it's only a small amount, molasses provides natural sugars that feed beneficial soil microorganisms. When these microbes become more active, they help break down organic matter and make nutrients more available to plant roots. Molasses also contains small amounts of potassium, calcium, magnesium, and iron. But its greatest value comes from promoting a healthy microbial population in the soil. Once everything is thoroughly mixed, your homemade fertilizer is ready to use. Apply it around the base of your plants so it can soak into the root zone. Avoid pouring excessive amounts directly onto the leaves. The soil microorganisms will benefit from both the organic compounds extracted from the potato peels and the natural sugars supplied by the molasses. This fertilizer is suitable for most vegetables, herbs, flowering plants, fruiting crops, and many potted plants. It works especially well during the active growing season when plants are producing new leaves, flowers, and fruits. Since it is a gentle fertilizer, you can apply it every 1 to 2 weeks without the risk of overfeeding. Keep in mind that this is not a complete fertilizer. While it provides a small amount of nutrients and helps improve soil biology, it should be used as a supplement rather than your primary source of plant nutrition. For the healthiest plants and the best harvests, continue using compost, well-rotted manure, or a balanced fertilizer as the main foundation of your feeding program.